All right, wonderful people, great people of Biafra. We are going to explain this newspaper to every one of you. You know, some of you don't know that we have go far on this Biafran restoration project. We don't go far. As you can see, this newspaper, this is
former president of European Union.
This is former
Jean-Claude Juncker. Jean-Claude Juncker.
Yeah. This is former European Union president. And you can see here. Are you seeing it?
Africanish tragedy.
Africanish tragedy. This is the tragedy of Africa. Now, let us open it for you to see how far we have go on this Biafran restoration project. Do you see this here? Biafran rising for 50 years.
Nigeria Biafran War.
That is Nigerian Biafran War. Move again. I want to show you people something.
Africanish tragedy.
This is African tragedy. And this is our national coordinator of Luxembourg. This is interview granted by him by the former European Union president.
No. By the journalist.
By the journalist. You know, for you.
This is our leader, Mazi Okenna.
And this is our leader, Mazi Okenna.
And African.
And this is the genocide against Biafrans. You know, some of you think that we are not doing a job. This is a newspaper. And when this newspaper this is 2017.
Newspaper called Journal Luxembourg.
Journal. This is the newspaper called Journal Luxembourg.
This is the most important newspaper here.
One of the most important newspaper. For you people to know that the reason why I came to Luxembourg today is not just to come, but to be able to tell the world who we are, to showcase our culture, our way of life, our tradition, and rest of them. You can see it here. They always discuss about Biafra. They always discuss about Biafra. This is Biafran War. This is our internal leader, Okechukwu. And this is Mazi Okenna, the leader of indigenous people of Biafra. IPOB, one big family. This is the children, they starve to death.
They wrote this newspaper, about 4 pages, they wrote about us, about that journalist.
On this newspaper, the page, they have 4 pages. They wrote about Biafran restoration.
One in the front already, 2.
Wait, let's count it. Start from the first. For some of you that are saying that IPOB, DOS are not doing anything, we must keep on. Where's number 1? The 4, that is in this newspaper, 4 pages talk about Biafra. This is number 1.
Number 2.
This is number 2 about Biafra. This is number 3 about Biafra. This is number 4 about Biafra. Why people? I think Facebook is seizing this. They are seizing this. I want to make another video again. Hello. Hello. Do you speak English? Okay.
Hey guys.
It's okay. Okay.
Okay, it's he want to talk with you. Just to enlighten you of our program.
Okay, we this is Biafran television, and all this here is all about Biafra. Let me start here. Can you come over here? Let me start here. This is Things Fall Apart. It's one of the best novel in Africa, and it was written by a Biafran man. And this here is the leader, the current leader of Biafra. And here, come over. You know, we must keep on educating people. This is another person that we are educating about Biafra. So, this man here is the first leader of Biafra. But now it's late. It's late. And in 1967 to 1970, there was a war between Nigeria and Biafra, which take over 10 million lives. A lot. And do you know the worst part of it? The world never called this genocide. You understand what I'm saying? Yes. When you go to Armenia, I think it's Armenia, 1 million people were killed, and the world said that they are genocide. Yeah. But in Biafra, Nigerian killed over 10 million people, and they never call it genocide. Now, see what happens to our people during genocide. They blockade the food. Food is not coming for Biafran people. There is no vitamins, no good water, and people begin to die because of lack of food. And during that time, we have a lot of kids. They starve to death. Not only to starve to death, but they are pregnant. It's not pregnant. Let me show you so you can see it. Can you see how fat the belly of this young kid is? That is exactly what. Yeah, the nutrition. Correct. This is the genocide that Nigeria committed against Biafra. Can you see this picture here? Can you see it? That is a genocide that Nigeria committed against Biafra. You can also see here. Okay? Let me show you something. Come over here. This man you are seeing here, his name is Bruce Rock. He's a white man. Yes. This man set himself ablaze. He poured gasoline on his body and he put fire because of the genocide against Biafra. You see what they did to our people? You see how our kids were pregnant? And these kids and the vultures are waiting to eat them. They are disturbing me. Look at also here. Do you see how the fat of this?
Yes, I can see it.
You see? This is the crime Nigeria committed against us. They kill our people because we said that we don't want to be a Nigerian. And here, when you look at here, you can see a lot of names. These are those names that Nigerian killed during that genocidal against Biafra. You see how? This is the picture that I want to show you. This picture here, these people that you see that they lie down here, they are waiting for their last breath. And we don't want to cover everything. Do you know what is vulture? Scavengers. They are already around there, waiting for them to die. And there is no food. The journalist said he could not even cover this because More than 300 people are dying just a second. You see them here? Genocide against Biafra. Nigeria is a terrorist. Nigeria breeds terrorists. You know, when as they have a political party here, Nigeria breeds terrorists. In Nigeria, their political party is terrorist. Do you know, if I tell you this, you cannot believe it. Do you know in Nigeria, the vice president of Nigeria is a terrorist man? You cannot believe it. You can't. His name is Shetima. He is a terrorist. He always negotiates with, do you know Boko Haram? Have you heard about Boko Haram? No. Do you know about ISIS? ISIS? Do you know about, terrorists, right?
Yes, of course.
Which name of terrorists do you know? Every terrorist in the Middle East, they are also in Nigeria. Nigeria is the headquarter of terrorists. Headquarter. I don't lie about this. You can also Google it. Nigeria is only country in Africa that is very hard for human to exist, to live. And Nigeria today is one of the country that is, people are dying every day. As I'm speaking to you today, we have some Americans in Nigeria today, they are fighting against terrorists. Because the terrorists want to take over Nigeria. And the people that are funding these terrorists, they are in government. Like I said, our vice president is a terrorist. And do you think when a vice president is a terrorist, can they stop terrorists? You see, that is why we are calling the world, that is why we are educating people, for them to know what is going on in that, we call it contraption. And we call Nigeria a zoo. Nigeria is a zoo. Animal kingdom, jungle. Thank you very much. And I hope you have know about a little bit about Biafra now.
Now, yes, because I didn't.
Thank you very much. Thank you. When anybody asks you about Nigeria,
now I will know something.
Tell them that Nigeria is a terrorist.
Okay.
And Nigeria will remain a terrorist. And we are going to destroy Nigeria with the truth. Did you see any gun with me? Did you see any bullet with me? What am I saying to you? Words. We are going to destroy Nigeria with words. Thank you very much. You're welcome.
You're welcome.
Yeah. We are going to destroy them. There's no two ways about it. We will destroy Nigeria with the truth. Alright, wonderful people, great people of Biafra, keep on sharing this video. The person that I said that I want to interview, there is another festival and the man is there. But I have to give them my number so that I can have a conversation and make a day that I'm going to interview the man on Biafran television, because the man in question is not here. I have told you people about the organization that called, what is the name of this organization? I write the name of here. Medicine de Frontier. Medicine de Frontier. I will interview their director. I have given them my number because the man is not here. There is also another festival somewhere and the man have to be there. That is why we could not meet him today. But the workers there are telling us to take the number and I have given them my number. We want to interview them because, like I said, this organization called Medicine de Frontier, they are back here now, at the back of us. At the back of us is where they are. And this Medicine de Frontier established because of Biafra.
very good, but it's very stressful.
When the doctors, group of doctors came to Biafra to help them, but as they came there, they see that the thing is too much. They have to go back to Europe and make sure they created this organization to help Biafra. And today, the organization is still existing, helping other people. But the organization itself, which is the Medicine de Frontier, was created, was established because of Biafra. That is exactly what they told me. And when I went there and called Biafra for them, they were shocked. They said, yes, we created this organization because of you people. But today they are still using it to educate other people. It's not that now it's been they have been established in all over the world. But the genesis of this organization was because of Biafra. Because of the genocide against great people of Biafra. Because of the evil that Nigeria have committed against us. That is the reason why the organization other people. So I have given them my number. Facebook is this. There is nothing I can do about it. So I want you people. India they disturb the video so much. All the pictures. Why these people are doing this? Okay, Hana for that side. Our leader. Okay, come position side our leader. Come position aside our leader. You know, yes. I believe they are not going to stop it now. They are not going to, you know, they are. Oh, but this is the genocide that these people committed against us. They don't want us to show it. But of course, I will keep on preaching the gospel. Like I said to every one of you, every stand around us are all political parties. We are only people that is in this stand that are dark people. Only us. Everybody, because when you come to this place, when you come to this festival, you see this block that we are, you must pass it. The block that we are is the hottest block, and everybody there are political parties. So there is no how you are going to see the political party without seeing what we are doing. And our brother is out. I could have show you people. I met the woman that make us to have this stand. Like before, according to our brother. And this thing started last year. And we are having the same place every year. Now, the same place. Before, where they are throwing us is where they are selling food. But our brother, the coordinator of Luxembourg, showed me the woman that helped us to secure this position. Because when they told the woman about Biafra, the woman knows a lot about Biafran people. So he said no. And the same woman introduced us to one of the best newspapers here that I showed you people that documented everything about Biafran people. So we are saying that we are not coming here to gaslight our people. We are coming here to tell our people to stand fast, to continue on this Biafran restoration project. I know we are third world country. It's very, very hard. But thank you for Kikabiam in a time like this, that we'll be able to find ourselves here in Europe. And the struggle continues. The struggle continues. educating Europeans continues, because that is why we are here in a time like this, to tell them what the genocide that Nigeria committed against our people. And believe you me, a lot of people are watching. A lot of people are watching us. We are in the center. I don't lie. Let me show you people. We are in the center. There is no how you can pass. Are you not seeing? Are you not seeing? Everybody knows about Biafra, right? Do you know anything about Biafra? Yeah. There was a genocide. There was a genocide. This is a Biafran television. I am a media personnel under Biafran television Europe. So I come here to cover the event. I'm from Germany. I came here to cover the event. As you can see, if I try to show all these pictures, I have a problem with Facebook because they don't want to see all those genocide. What is real is real. We are not lying. We are telling the world what Nigerian did to us. Nigerian killed our people just for nothing, because we want to have our freedom. Have you read it?
Yeah, when I was in school.
This is it. Things Fall Apart. This is one of the best novels ever written in Africa. This is Shima Achebe. This is the but that is the most. It has many. But that is this book is when he explained about Biafra, that things have been falling apart. You understand? So you can see the pictures. People were starved to death because they are looking for freedom. Helped by British people. British people helped Nigeria to commit genocide against our people. We will keep on saying this. And of course, we have found our stand here in Europe. We will continue to, tell people what we passed through. If you can see names there, this is the names that Nigeria killed. Nigeria killed them for nothing's sake. Nigeria starved our people to death for nothing's sake. A lot of kids were pregnant. Not re-pregnant, because no vitamin, no food. Kwashiorkor. That is what Nigeria committed against our people. And do you know what's part of it? The world don't care. Because of oil. When you are hearing that Nigeria has oil, the oil is from Biafra land. And because of this oil, they don't want to let us go. So if somebody asks you about Nigeria, if they tell you about Nigeria, Nigeria is a terrorist country.
Okay, and Biafra is separate from
Actually, we had a war with Nigeria for 3 years. And during that war, Biafra was a country of its own. But because of the help of the world, British were the one that supplied Nigeria armaments, ammunition. Egypt were those that are flying Nigerian aircrafts. So the world, they were bombarding Biafra. But as it is today, we are still under Nigeria. But we are still fighting for the restoration of Biafra. The man that you are seeing at the back of me here, no, stay here. I'm just showing. I will show you. Can you see a man here at the back of me here?
yes,
Mazi Okenna. He is the leader of indigenous people of Biafra. Do you know where this man is now? I will tell you. Nigerian government, because they are terrorists. Nigeria is terrorist. They went to Kenya and they kidnapped him from Kenya. Nigerian government went to Kenya to kidnap this man, and they brought him back to Nigeria. There is no court. They did not went to court for the court of Kenya to hear, and they brought him back to Nigeria. And where is this man today? They sentenced this man life imprisonment. He's now in Sokoto, the heart of caliphate, the heart of terrorists in Nigeria. That is where the man is now. But that does not mean that we are going to stop. We are not going to stop. You know, Biafra is ideology. And we must keep on fighting till Biafra is totally restored. So we want to tell you people about Biafra. Nigeria hate people. Nigeria don't want people to live. Nigeria is evil. Nigeria is more evil than Lucifer. I don't even know if there is something called Lucifer. Nigeria is more evil than devil, if there is anything called devil. If Nigeria can kill minor that they are under 10 years. Yeah, I have to. People are listening. You understand me? So, if Nigeria can kill a minor, if Nigeria can kill a 5-year-old kid that never committed anything, so Nigeria is worse than evil. Nigeria is Lucifer. If there is anything, because I don't believe in Lucifer, you don't want us to continue, but we must continue.
Yeah, okay.
I hope.
It's awareness. So we don't want to remember.
And where are you from, sister?
Delta.
Eh?
Delta State.
Delta State.
Ah, Delta State.
And also we?
Edo. Which part of Edo? Are you? Okay, Bini. Are you Bini Godomi Godo?
This side.
Keba Kebuni Boye Bini.
Oh, Nyanamba.
That means that from Amazon.
Oh, for my sister. Oh, for Nyanamba. I want enough here now. I don't make it up our minds. We are not going back. That's not much. Anna, come.
How Nigeria be there?
I don't make it scare now. Or they but I'm not showing any display again now. This Facebook, allow me now. Allow me. They were coordinator. Hello, watching again. I did my math. I am an no. It shall contribute in the I ain't off my math. I ain't off my. I ain't off Mazi only falls on Cholegwagon, only eventually one. And Mazi Bia nigga, we are Mazi Bia. Biana money after one lawyer was there, call direct call, Kenya, Ebande Banyo through Biafran television. Why a direct call? Was there normal call? We must continue. Share the video, we must continue. On this quest of self-determination, we must destroy Nigeria with the fruits. Nothing like gun, nothing like bullets. National coordinator of Spain, how shall they contribute to the island? I cannot show the background again because the background is disturbing. Hello, Mazi. Yeah. Mazi, I am on Biafran television. I show them Bande Banyo, okay? Just Bande Banyo. Go ahead.
It's the job. Yes, we're watching that. You are doing the job. I want more to say because I'm fatal in a public place. You know, I just close work now. I'm on my way going to home. But be the glory that we are alive. This is what we try to do. We always say it. Be in the war front. No matter how the enemy is, we are in the war front. And I wish all you people who is in the war front to continue the job until the final result. What we need is freedom. Freedom is what we wish, and the freedom what we get. All hell
Biafra.
All hell
Biafra.
All hell
Biafra.
All hell
Biafra.
This is IPOB one family. We always all the way to get that family. This is what we sign for, and we are on it until the end. Biafra will surely come.
Ndewo nwa Chineke, ndewo Chukwu gozie ego. This is na nwanne m nwoke. Onye anyị na-aja ọsụ kwụsị okwu na-abụ coordinator ndị Madrid. He called us to add his voice in what we are doing in Luxembourg. Now, allow these people to allow us to do this video now. Why? Facebook, why now? You know, I'm showing the Mazi Okenna Okechukwu.
Even they are afraid of.
Even though they are still also afraid of Mazi in Nigeria. They're even afraid of Mazi Okenna face.
They have everything private.
Mazi Okenna Okechukwu, the general, controls the Biafran television. We are live on Biafran television Europe. We are bringing to you live events in Luxembourg, festival culture and immigration and citizenship.
Not citizenship. Not citizenship.
No, oh yeah, citoyen, yeah, citoyen. Il rien. On qu'est-ce que your phone. On
The citoyen, you have a French card. You have a French.
Citoyen mete. Okay, can I have it now? This. Okay, this is Festival of Immigration and Culture. Simple as that. Uzoma Johnson, thank you. Nkiru, you are welcome. Let me greet people. Write your name, let me call your name. This is the third batch, and the Facebook are disturbing us. Write your name. They are afraid of Mazi Okenna. Of course they are afraid, no? Or you want an idea?
Hello.
Mazi Okenna Okechukwu, the general.
Hello.
Keep on sharing the video, and remember that Mazi Okenna will come today. At the same time, let me put the post of Mazi Okenna. Should in case if you people have
That's
7:30. Let me put the post. Don't miss that broadcast. Don't miss broadcast of Mazi Okenna. Don't miss it. Don't miss it. This is Mazi Okenna. Tell these people, make they allow me now. Make they allow me. Of course, we have covered it. Emmanuel, you are welcome. Biafran Ilo Television live in Luxembourg. are all political parties around us. Let me show you people once again. This here is political party, CSD. The other one is also political party. The other one is political party. You see all these places here, all these blocks that we are, they are all political parties. And we are in a hot stand. Our stand are the finest. Our stand are finest. And Chukwu Kikabiama is with us. It's all about Biafra. Do you know about Biafra?
Sorry?
Do you know about Biafra?
No.
Do you know about Nigeria?
Yes.
Do
Not
you
so much, but
Do you know that Nigeria is a terrorist country?
no.
Do you know that over 300 people dies every day in Nigeria? Do you know? Do you know about Boko Haram? Do you know about ICC? A terrorist group? Do you know about ISWAP?
No.
Do you know any name terrorist in the world? Do you know any name?
Yes.
What is the name? Which one do you know?
The name I don't know. I know that we have on the news, but I don't know.
Yes. In Nigeria, they have 8 terrorist groups.
I have no idea about this.
8 terrorist groups. And in Nigeria, on daily basis, over 300 people are dying on daily basis, every single day. Nigeria is the worst place for human to live.
I have no idea about this.
I want you to make research about Nigeria.
I will for sure.
Right. And this is, as you can see, back here. I want you to also go and search for Nigerian Biafran war. It was not a war, it was a genocide against Biafran people.
Biafra, like this.
This is Biafra. And I will commend you to also look for this book, Half a Yellow Sun.
Can I take a picture?
Yeah, of course, take it, so that you go and search for it. And this man here, this man there, let me, because I want to caption it. Just hold on, please. I have to put this thing here. This man there is our leader. His name is Mazi Okenna Okechukwu. And do you know that Nigeria went to Kenya? You know a country called Kenya?
Yes.
They went there, Nigerian government went to Kenya and kidnapped him and brought him back to Nigeria. Today they give him life imprisonment because he's fighting for survival, because he's fighting for Biafra, because he wants Biafra to be free. And the reason why we don't want to be in Nigeria is because the terrorists, they want to take over Nigeria. They want everybody to become Islamic terrorists. And we said, no, we are Christians. You can allow us to practice our own faith. But they said, no, you must become a Muslim. If you don't, we take your life. As it stands today, over 300 people are dying in Nigeria. Go and make research. I don't lie about this. I'm not saying because we want to have Biafra, I have to lie against Nigeria. No, I'm telling you what it is, what is obtainable, what you can see. As you can see those pictures, they are all kids, minor, from 10 to down. During 1960 to 1970, they blocked every food. No food, and the kids from 10 down, they begin to get pregnant. It's not really pregnant, it's a sickness, lack of vitamin, So they don't see nothing, no food, no vitamin, nothing, no protein. So they developed what they call kwashiorkor. We give it a name, we call it kwashiorkor. I don't know the name in English, but just people just getting fat in their belly, and they are all kids.
I saw some pictures of kids.
Yeah, I have the pictures here, but if I try to show you the pictures, let me try if they can allow me. Come over here. Let me see if they can allow me. Just hold on. Okay. You can see here. Do you see those kids? That is what Nigeria costs for us. They starve them, no food. They blockade the food, and people begin to die. And these people you see here, they are waiting for their final breath, because actually they died. They died. They did not survive. See them here. All of them, they were down. They are waiting for their last breath. Actually, these people did not survive. They did not. They died.
Why they are not given food for these kids?
Because Nigeria is evil. Nigeria is evil. You know, when you're talking about devil, when you're talking about Lucifer, I don't believe in Lucifer, but I'm telling you, Nigeria is more devil than Lucifer. If they can starve people, kids to death, so what do you think they cannot do? They can do everything. See them here. Let me show you. Come over there. Let me show you something. You can come, no problem. Do you see probably this kid here, he or she, I don't even know, she or he can be like 7 years or 3 years. You see the rims? You see how pregnant she is? But she's not pregnant. Lack of vitamin. And over 10,000 of these people were killed. They starved to death. They starved, no food. And this man here, during that war, this is what is it? Mayrok or something like that. For this guy, I always forget about his name. Bruce Mayrok. This man, when this genocide was going on in Biafra, and the world don't want to talk about it. The world don't want to talk about it. This man set himself ablaze. He put fire on himself. He burned himself to death because of genocide. He was calling the world about the genocide, but the world don't want to listen. He said, no, I can't stand it. He have to pour gasoline on his body and put fire. He died because of Biafra. That is why we always remember him. And now let me show you this. Do you see names from up there? Do you see all this name? Do you see all this name? This is the name that Nigerian killed during genocidal war. And these people that you are seeing their names, they did not commit anything, because they're just fighting for it. They want to have their freedom. And Nigeria said, no, you are going nowhere. You must remain here. And that is their names. So what we are doing is to tell the world that we are Nigeria are dealing with us. And there's nothing we can do about it. Only to speak to the world, tell people, so that they can acknowledge, like somebody like you. Now you have, when somebody asks you about Biafra and Nigeria, you can be able to explain something to them, because you can see it by yourself.
Yeah, normally it's always the same places on the news. They don't talk about the others, but we know that there are a lot of war in other places, and
yes,
maybe worse situation that.
You see, we are educating everybody. We are telling them, we are not just telling them to come and fight for us, but We want to educate them so that they will understand that it's a genocide. And as it stands today, do you know about jihad? Jihad is happening in Nigeria as I'm speaking to you. Nigeria is the headquarters of jihad. Go and make research. Everything I'm telling you, I want you to make research. I don't want you to see it as a propaganda. I don't want you to see it. I don't want you to see it as a lie. But make research by yourself. You will understand. Americans are in Nigeria because they are trying to support the citizens to stop jihad against the citizens of Nigeria. But it's not going to be difficult. It's going to be difficult, I mean to say, but we must continue because we want to be free. I hope you have learned something about Biafra and Nigeria, right? Thank you very much.
Thank you for all the information.
Thank you very much. So, you people should keep on sharing the video. We are going to educate them. We are not we are not afraid. One thing must kill a man. One thing must kill a man, Oga. Yes, don't worry before. I think what is time? I think I have covered this event. We have also Mr. Pro. We have also Mr. Pro here. This is a half of a yellow sun. I want you to go and read this book. Half of a yellow sun. We have here Things Fall Apart. And here is Igbo dictionary. We are educating them. Our brother is educating them. Continue your good work, brother. Continue. Continue.
What's your mind now to fight what is actually belongs to you and the betterment of your
I said, I'm the blue part. Because
that's why they are killing a lot of today. Nigeria is only about the souls that from Biafra television, she has got to even though she has on my own platform, only Biafra television. In life. I don't know where it on life. I am a good cat. 1, 2, and this will be the last one. So you can from here and share to your page. Okay, you can this way share because I do on computer because you have to make email for my many countries have we are educating the white people. We are telling them why Nigeria is evil. we are telling them that Biafra must go. The evangelists will continue. We must continue evangelizing the Biafran Restoration Project to the world. The awareness must continue, regardless who is involved. Omo Shineke.
This is our current Nigerian people, they not in Kenya, not in and extraordinary conditions. Now, they come back to Nigeria, and Nigeria they have killed a lot of young people, a lot of mothers, a lot of fathers, a lot of children, and they are still killing. They don't even want us to free and be on us to sell our future.
I think you're going to get the number. You got a number. How can I tell you?
Number.
Yes, you guys have my number. Come on, I fix a date.
Yeah. That's my correspondent.
Of course.
The highest resources, the thing that we all use, the highest resources. Trade is not the highest resources. The highest resources are because you can have everything, but once you don't have the knowledge, the ability to pick up a piece of it, it will be waste. It will be useless. You will see it like as this. When someone who knows the value of what you have, yeah, when you know how, then you know that it's a quality, have a value, everything. So, the thing that you only is the highest. If the oil is the problem, no problem. When we run our we can say the oil.
Consider what's up.
But the oil is natural. It doesn't get end. As long as it's natural. I don't think I will say April.
My friend,
Hello.
Tetia,
Nice to meet you.
Give us a ride.
teacher, European Union.
Hello.
We are here.
Yeah, I see.
Oh, yeah.
I forgot to say you. I want to say
It's already late. Happy birthday. It's already late.
Yeah, but we still are going to have tomorrow evening. We will have champagne with strawberries. Okay?
So first time to this event,
Yeah.
How was this impression?
Yeah. But I just came from here and I was just looking for the number 71. I told you. Yeah. Okay.
see the people shake it up really fast.
Okay.
And what is at the messenger? Because it's some
These people
it's not just for the
okay.
There's no election is won by after the election, you can even bring this for cabin. The one on the back, you agree with their own.
Yeah. Very good. Wow. Okay.
That's the problem. You cannot, the people cannot choose their. They choose. Let me show you a bit. Because once you choose me, then you have the right to hold me accountable. And I have the right to.
Let me just here is a Biafran you know, the placard, the revealed history of Biafra.
Okay.
So this is our leader.
Okay. Still today?
Yeah, but he's in prison now since almost going to 4 years now. It was extraordinary rendition from Kenya to Nigeria because of Biafra struggle.
Okay.
So he was the one here, Mazi Okenna. That's
the same.
Yeah. So
And he's now in prison for 34 years.
they put in life imprisonment. Yeah. So this during the Biafran war, this the children that was starved by hunger.
Yeah.
So most of them they picked them in the street, and then because about 1 million of children died.
Yeah.
So you can see also then when the war was starting, they practically put the children somewhere.
Yeah.
So without no food, so most of them they are living, and then without no food, no water. So some of them are died, you know, like so. All of them just here, and then you can see all the children that have hunger. And let me go. That's during the Biafran war, when when the genocide was happening, the fighting. So Biafran don't have because the British and then the Nigerians and also some allies are helping to kill to stop Biafran. So and then all this is when during the Biafran war, and this the president of the Biafra, the one that was president, that's the General Ojukwu, was the general before before the war started. And this is how the Biafran started. This is me, and then when I was interviewed by a journalist in Luxembourg. This after during the Biafran war. So these people are the Spanish football club, former ex-football club. So they decided to play match.
Okay.
About the genocide of the committee, so they just do it like showcase telling the world about the Biafran and then what is going on in Biafra land. And then you can also like I told you before, Biafran people history were a bit similar Biafran Israel. So we have a similar culture, like originality we are the Israelites. The real Israel practices. This is also a kind of a Biafran map. Maybe I could not find. I could show you where there is Biafra here. But I will show you. This is my uncle that died during Biafran war. His name is Tony Okeke. So this is my cousin here. He went to the war, and then after he went to the war, he come back home. Then he went back, we didn't see him till today. So this is one of the Biafran coordinator.
Okay.
He was assassinated last few years ago because of Biafra, and then also the Biafran genocide. Also, see how the children there, because when the war was broken, so some people run away. Most of our men, they went for war. So the woman was taking care of them, but some of them was packed for the characters to give them the food. But when it's too much, so they left them without food. So they stay. Millions of children died. And so this person, his name is Brooks Mero. He's an Israeli. He lived in Israeli American.
Yeah.
So when the Biafran war the war was going on,
Yeah.
so he was calling the world to come and help the atrocity that the Nigerian and the British was committing. So nobody want to listen to him. So he went to United Nations. He went to United Nations office in New York in front of National office, and he put fuel. He put gasoline in his head and put himself and burned himself to death. Yeah. So, and then this when our leader was Nandi Kanu was in prison. So this the person that is taking the second that taking the affairs of Biafra. And this woman is a special woman also from Israel. So she's advocating for Biafran freedom.
Okay.
Yeah.
Look. Where is this picture?
He gave it to you.
You're leaving, look.
Oh my God. Yeah. So this is also our people that died in Biafra war. So these are people that already the names of the history. And the history said that about 7 million of Biafran died, the children. So yeah, and then this is also one of German man that helped Biafra. When the thing was so, he was a volunteer army.
Okay.
He joined the Biafran war to come and rescue. So all these things is the names of the people that died during Biafran war. Yeah.
And there, you remember the day is
30th of May. Yeah. This is our remembrance. It's coming soon. 30th of May.
Yeah.
Every year.
Okay.
So I don't know if you want to have an interview about Biafra. Can I give you a bit interview? You want to say something? Tell us something. I give a bit of encouragement. I can interview you.
Okay.
And they can.
Tell me, what do you want to know?
I just a kind of encouragement about Biafran struggle. So and then tell us something, and then do you know about? Let me just interview a bit.
Yeah.
Do you know about the history of Biafra a bit?
Yeah, I know a bit. I know that you had like for 3 years your own state, your own country with your own president, and then after that the big war started, where many Biafran people died. That's what I know about.
Okay.
Yeah, and I encourage you to still fight, because I come from Slovenia, and Slovenia had first Slovenian, like many years ago, around the 7th century, they have their own state, and then for 1,300 or something like this years not, but we remain to be Slovenian, and now this year our country is going to have 35th anniversary.
Oh yeah?
We are very proud of that.
Okay.
So even after 1,000 years, there are still chances to get your own country.
Okay. That's good. So I wish also in Slovenia good luck. And also, what are you going to tell we Biafra? We the IPOB, we call Indigenous People of Biafra. The IPOB, that's the logo of when you want to call Biafra, say IPOB, we are one family. So you can say IPOB, one family.
IPOB, one family.
One family, IPOB. That's how it is.
Family. OP.
One IPOB. IPOB.
IPOB.
One family.
One family.
One family, IPOB.
One family, IPOB.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you. That's our friend from Slovenia. He came to see us today and also give us some of encouragement to continue our struggle. And then we are very happy to see her. So we must continue. Thank you very much, and you're welcome to come to us. Thank you. Thank you. So, okay.
1 minute. All right, wonderful people. Just hold on, my people. All right, wonderful people. This is about the end of the program for today. I am Mazi Okenna Okechukwu, the General. I hope every one of you enjoyed this event in Luxembourg, which is immigration and culture. We have covered everything. The people that I'm supposed to have interview with, they are not here because in Luxembourg here, there has also another festival at the other place. I have given my number to them, which is the medicine, the frontier. Very, very important. I want you people to go and search for this organization called Medicine the Frontier. This organization was set up because of Biafra. It's not that this organization was existing. No. The organization itself was set up because of Biafra. And I wanted to interview the boss, but unfortunately the man is not here. I went to their stand and I saw them. The coordinator told me about them, and I went to meet them because I want to really know why the organization was formed. I want to hear direct from the people by themselves. I want to hear from the people direct. So I went there. They have also workers, but they told me that they don't have idea of Biafra. It's only the boss can tell us what really happened, how the organization was formed. And like I said, they have other festivals, but I gave them my number because I really want to know this organization. And I asked them a little brief about the organization. And they told me it's during 1960 to 1970 when the war was going on. They sent some doctors from Europe to help Biafra. But when they get there, the thing is too much for them. They can't even help. They have to go back to Europe and set up this organization called Medicine the Frontier. Medicine the Frontier. I don't know the meaning in English. I was hoping to meet the chef to ask him the meaning of this Medicine the Frontier. But unfortunately, the man cannot come here today. They told me to drop my number. They are going to contact me, and of course I'm going to have interview with him so that he will explain to us what really happened, how the organization was formed. Because this is my first time hearing about this organization. And they are back of this our stand. Our stand is here. If you go on the other side, that is where their stand is. The awareness must continue. We must keep on preaching the gospel of Biafra to every corner of the world till Biafra is totally restored and beyond. We are not going to stop. And I want you all to always support DOS. Mazi Okenna Okechukwu, the man is in charge. He is in charge in absence of Mazi Okenna Okechukwu. Mazi Okenna Okechukwu remains the leader of indigenous people worldwide. No doubt about it. There is no cause of alarm. There is no cause of worry on the position of Mazi Okenna Okechukwu. Support Eastern Security Network. Support IPOB. Support DOS Mazi Okenna. Support Mazi Okenna Okechukwu, our leader. That is how it is. We must continue. IPOB is an institution. And IPOB is for us. I have covered events. People have started going. And I have to also pack my properties and begin to round up. So, according to the national coordinator, he said that this program will continue till 12 o'clock. But of course, I have covered the event. I have do my job. The reason why I'm here is to showcase, to tell the world about Biafra, and awareness must continue. We have lectured a lot of people today. Some of them have not heard about Biafra before. Some of them, yes. Some of them cannot also tell the story about Biafra. We'll be able to tell them the story. We'll be able to tell them about Nigerian and Biafran genocidal war. And we'll be able to show them the names of those that was unalive during that war, genocidal war. It was a genocidal war. That is something that we have to establish here. It was a genocide. Of course, the world have not, recognized it as a genocide, but we must keep on. You people already know where we are coming from. Nobody wants to pay attention to us, but Chukwu have make it possible that we find ourselves today in Europe. And education will continue. Awareness must continue. It has to be. Till Biafra is totally restored. And the Mazi Okenna Okechukwu will be free. As I told you people in the past, forget about this life imprisonment of Mazi Okenna Okechukwu. There is something that is telling me that Mazi Okenna Okechukwu will be free. And there is nothing anyone can do about it. Mazi Okenna Okechukwu is not a terrorist group, a terrorist person. Mazi Okenna Okechukwu is just fighting for struggle, for survival. But because of where we find ourselves, they say that we are terrorists in Nigeria. Do you now see how we are showcasing everything? Our culture, our tradition, our way of life. We are telling the world. And where we are having our stand in this Luxembourg festival, culture and immigration, it is in the heart of political parties. People that surrounded us, their own political parties. After I finish this video, I'm going to post the king of this country. I had a picture with him. He was moving freely. I was expecting to also meet the Prime Minister, but unfortunately, the Prime Minister is in other festival because this stand we are seeing here, this stand we are seeing here now. My brother, hold on please. I don't know, maybe your people are seeing it well. This stand we are seeing here now, they are the current political party. They are in front of us, opposite us, for you people to know. So I thank every people of Biafra. I thank every freedom fighters, people with goodwill and good conscience. I salute every one of you, and I salute your support towards Biafran Restoration Project, towards the release and freedom of Mazi Okenna, our leader. We must support him. But one thing that some of you have to understand, support DOS, support Eastern Security Network. As he remains your royal servant, Mazi Okenna Okechukwu, the general. From me, from here, Mazi Chorebahu, our national coordinator, the Maya address now. Our address, then we call it a day.
We're still in the event, you know. So we thank Kabiama for today, and you know this event is continuously for tomorrow also. So and as we are talking, our BTV crew they are leaving now, so we are staying here because this today is going to close around 11 o'clock. So we are staying here, and also we give you guys the update. So I thank everybody that's watching out today, and we continue to give you guys the update of what's going on. And once again, my name is Mazi Okenna. So I'm the national coordinator of IPOB Luxembourg, and also I want to tell everybody to continue to support our DOS and our leader Mazi Okenna, and everybody have to continuously to put him in prayer, and then hopefully soon he will come and join us so he can be able to fulfill this promise by God given to him. So we are here today again once more this evening till the ending. And you can see the activities of today was very, very successful. And also I give big thanks to one of my brother, Mazi Okenna Okechukwu, that came to the Biafra to come and support us. And also we had a very big interview with viewers and a lot of people, even some politicians. You know how politicians, how they are doing, you know, they feel like they're pretending, but they saw everything that they're moving, and they are watching, you know. And once more, before, it was not like this before, but very unfortunately, we just in a very, you know, very big cubicle, you know, where all the big politicians, just in their stand, and all the politician parties, that's where they're presenting, we're also the indigenous people of Biafra. So we're appreciating. So I want to say big thanks to all support to support DOS, Eastern Security Network, and Biafra as a rise. IPOB,
one big family.
IPOB,
one big family.
One family.
IPOB.
Thank you very much.
We also have some of our brothers who we are together with us. They want to speak to Biafra. Mas, come on, Biafra,
oh, Biafra. Oh, Biafra, IPOB,
one family.
One powerful family.
IPOB.
One of IPOB member. IPOB ka ga anọ wa nwụtụ life isi Biafra. Anyị anara anaazụ. Igbo ọbụla ya na support Mazi Okenna na onye ama Chineke zitere anyị ndị Biafra. Ọ ka anyị ga-eso n'ọnọdụ niile. Tụna chinyela anyị flag elu. Ọ ya anyị na-ekwu maka ya. Nwanne anyị ga na support Eastern Security Network. Na ha nọ na-eche awala ndị nche. Ya mere na Fulani ala majeri aka n'ọbịa ka kọ nke awala. Mama anyị azabazi Aisha na Naila ma Ibrahim ma Suleiman. Yotago, maka ESL, Mazi Okenna create. One of them card holy. Umuchinaka ya gazienu. Yotago, Gochi Nazero, only my Bob Gana, never can get no good. Napo Mazi, I know so Apota, Biafra, Bianando, and Obron. On the day they are Sota Biafra, Obron de Molan. Yotago, so Anime no OBC. Yotago, oh, hey Biafra, oh, hey Biafra, Gazieno.
We also have our brother that is supporting us here. He wants to also add his voice. Mazi, come.
IPOB.
One family.
All hail Biafra.
All hail.
My fellow Biafrans, I just want to use this opportunity to greet each and every one of us. Say good evening from my own zone. So, Mazi Okenna Okechukwu is doing a wonderful and a marvelous work for Biafra. And our national coordinator, Mazi Okenna, is doing a very marvelous work to make sure that we restore Biafra. And the Biafra we must get. For sure. Come and consum, Biafra we must get. And we are the final stage of Biafra. Because forget about all these shenanigans, all these haters scatter that is going, the people are ranting on social media, this and that. We are with our leader, Mazi Okenna and the DOS.
Correct.
Because he's the one that make sure that he puts them in place, and he knows the type of people he puts there. Correct. This is, when wave come, there must be a temptation. They have survived many temptations, they must survive this one, and the Biafra will shall get. At the end, very soon, very soon, our leader will come out, and he's coming out with what? Biafra. All hail Biafra. My name remains Mazi Okenna. All hail Biafra.
All right, wonderful people, great people of Biafra freedom fighters, lovers of freedom and well-wishers. We are now coming to the end of this program today in Luxembourg, a festival of culture and immigration. Mazi Okenna Okechukwu is here live. Biafran Television Europe is here live. So we urge every one of you to share the video according. Don't hesitate. Share the video. Support Biafra movement, support IPOB, support DOS, support Mazi Okenna, and support lovers of freedom. People with goodwill and conscience, support them. I will be signing out. I am your humble servant, Mazi Okenna Okechukwu, the general. From me, from here in Luxembourg, it is good evening. All hail Biafra.
All hail Biafra. All hail.